I'm Nick Hamman, and this is Hammy Eats, delivered by Mr. D. And one of the amazing things about living in South Africa is that food from cultures from all over the world have landed up on our multicultural shores. Included in that is the vibrant Turkish community with one of the oldest cuisines anywhere on the planet. And at Lokkum, they make it better than many. Let's go find out how, why, and taste the food. Come on. Mikdat,
Nick,
how are you, my brother?
good day, brother. Welcome.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too, brother.
How's things?
Oh, well, brother. Welcome.
We're gonna make some good food.
Yeah, let's
good
go through.
Turkish food.
Very good. This is a cheese from eastern side of Turkey. Only one city makes this cheese. It's called Van cheese. Van is the name of the city.
Are you saying
That's
one?
where my mother and father is from.
Oh, not one.
No, not one. It's V-A-N.
Van. Okay. Yeah.
This one, my mom makes it here.
Really?
Yeah.
So did you grow up eating this cheese?
Every day, every morning. So we're doing three kinds of cheese here: feta cheese, white cheddar, and Turkish cheese.
I've always believed that sweet dreams are made of cheese.
Me too. I'm a cheese person.
Who am I to disagree?
Exactly.
The untrained eye might look at that and go, that's tzatziki.
It's the same thing. So Greeks and Turks, there's so many things in common. This is one of them, like baklava.
I'm sure you'd say that's better than tzatziki, hey?
I don't wanna.
You don't have to say anything.
To be honest, they're both very nice. I love Greek tzatziki as well, and I love this as well. But this is totally different. This is breakfast tzatziki. So you just basically take out the garlic, add spring onions, and red peppers.
Beautiful.
That's the only difference. So we make our own yogurt in traditional way, and we get cream from that. That cream we serve it on the breakfast. You can't buy this with money. Your mom needs to make it, but you can have it in Lokkum. Yeah, one of the main things in breakfast. You need to have cucumbers and tomatoes.
I wouldn't say it's a part of South African cuisine. I had this for supper last night, together with
and
some
if you had
chicken. Watermelon.
If you can
Really?
add watermelon, we're just
Now
waiting
we're
for the
talking.
season. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm into that, man.
Now we're gonna go into the hot stuff like menemen and egg dishes. This is a very special breakfast dish from eastern side of Turkey. You add some flour on butter and you break eggs on top.
Oh, butter, eggs, and heat. You can't really go wrong, huh?
Exactly. We use a lot of butter.
I think the secret to most restaurants that the average person doesn't know is that how restaurants get all their food to taste delicious is they just soak everything in butter.
Exactly.
That's a secret.
We add the flour slowly.
What kind of consistency are you trying to get?
I don't know how to explain that to you in English.
It's in your Turkish heart, eh? Once you know, you know.
Exactly. I just want it to get a little bit foamy, then I'll add the eggs.
Are you keeping the heat on all throughout this process?
Very low. We trying to roast the flour, and we don't want to overcook it.
Yes.
You see how it became now. Let's start with the menemen. This is my favorite breakfast. This is very, very similar to shakshuka.
Okay, but?
The tomatoes and onions are diced very small, and the spicing is a bit different as well than shakshuka.
Okay.
And I like to add some cheesy as well.
Are you going to pour scrambled eggs on there, or are you going to put whole eggs?
No, same scrambled eggs.
Okay.
You can put whole eggs as well.
But this is the way we do it.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
We add some paprika.
Paprika is big in Turkish cooking.
Paprika, especially marinating meat.
That is a thing of beauty. I think there's a reason Turkey is as famous as they are for their food. It's thousands of years of perfection now.
It goes without saying that Lokkum gets the Hammy stamp of approval. For the uninitiated, this is our personal promise, a badge of trust that says I, Nick Hamman, have eaten here and think that you should too. To me, it's a way of saying this place has heart, story, and of course, deliciousness. Ever since we launched our partnership with Mr. D, we've seen the Hammy stamp of approval reaching new heights beyond our wildest imagination. Not only is it easier to find Hammy-approved spots on the Mr. D app, they're also helping invest in getting more stories of great food places in Mzansi out there to more and more people. Check out mrd.com or hammyeats.co.za to see all this happening right now.
I'm going to taste everything. Hammy Eats all day, every day. but this is typical. You were saying in Turkey, breakfast is where it's at.
Breakfast is very big in Turkey.
So Saturday morning, you growing up,
Exactly.
someone's doing this for you. So who was the cook in your house growing
Mum.
up? Mum was the cook. Yeah?
Mom was the cook, and she's one of the best.
And that's typical of Turkish households.
Very typical.
When did you learn how to cook?
I learned with the restaurant business, to be honest. Like, I don't have a background in the kitchen, but I'm a quick learner.
You seem to know what you're doing. I mean,
Yeah.
you can talk about the food with tremendous sense of pride and
It's been almost 10 years in South Africa. Let's start with the egg dishes. It's all about sharing. This is sujuk with eggs.
sujuk with eggs. And I mean, sujuk, that's obviously like a halal meat.
Sujuk, like, I think easiest way to describe is halal way of chorizo.
Okay.
That's what I tell to my clients as well.
Part of what you guys are trying to do here is introduce South Africans to typical Turkish food, as in not just what you'd normally be presented.
Exactly. I've been telling this to our clients all the time. Turkish food is not only Adana kebab, shish kebab, chicken shish, and these kind. Those are our food. Very good. I love them. But you need to try some different stuff like as well.
How do we say this again?
Sujuk.
Sujuk.
Yes. That's a flavor bomb.
That is a flavor bomb. You guys are just so good at complex spices. So it's like there's layers to the food. Like as you eat it, different things come alive in your mouth and you feel like a rich experience. It's not cheap.
In most of our food, there is over 10 spices, but we don't use so much chili. In Turkey, it's like a habit. You eat chili on the side of the food. You don't eat chili in the food.
Okay.
We think it kills the flavor.
Look, you guys have been doing it for thousands of years. I don't think I'm in a position to argue with you.
Olives and cheese, the biggest thing in Turkey, breakfast. Turkey has very good olives. These are the black olives are Turkish olives.
Really?
Yeah.
So you guys bring them in, huh?
It's imported from Turkey.
No kidding. Okay. Got bread.
Right? Put some cream on top.
Cream on top there. I'm going to smear that in a little bit, eh? Are these from special Turkish bees?
South African bee. Like, to be honest, South African honey is very
It's good, right?
Very good.
This is fantastic.
How? Right?
I think it's my favorite thing so far. If you come,
Like, some days, this is my only breakfast.
yeah, I can believe that.
You know, the big loaf of bread, cream on top, honey,
Bread, cream, and honey.
and some walnuts.
You know, there's Turkish communities here. You can come and you can eat amazing Turkish food. And you were saying as well that this place almost becomes like a stop-off. If someone wants to go visit your country, they'll come and they say, give me the real deal. Show me how to eat the food.
Exactly. So then they come to you, they ask you for, like, where can I go, what to do, how to do it, how to be safe, how to enjoy.
Yeah, the real local experience.
Exactly. You know, we call this börek.
Börek.
You may know this as like spanakopita.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. We call it börek, they call it spanakopita, but it's the same
So
thing.
do you use feta in here?
We use feta and spinach, like gözleme.
Yes.
Same filling like spinach, and very thin pillow pastry.
Let me do this. That's what I'm talking about, huh? Okay, I'm gonna go for it. This is one of my favorite things, honestly. Oh my goodness. Dude,
It's very nice.
it's exceptionally nice. I would come here just to eat this. So the name of this place, you say Lokkum. What does it mean?
Lokkum means Turkish delight.
Uh-huh.
There's a history behind it. Once you eat very soft meat, you call it, oh, this is like lokum. The texture of Turkish delight, you know, it's like soft. You want your meat to be in the same texture. You say, oh, this meat is like lokum.
Melts in your mouth.
Melts in your mouth.
Lokkum is real, authentic Turkish food done the right way, and with thousands of years of culture behind them, the Turkish people certainly know what they're doing. Order them on Mr. D or come and try the place out for yourself in Norwood. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.